In this week's Small Business Focus, we introduce a biologist turned beautician whose services builds her clients' confidence by enhancing their facial features with her unique services.
Sarah Arjun is a certified microblading, shading classic and Russian volume lash extension artist who has introduced a unique beauty service to Guyana. She operates her business from the second floor of the building at the corner of Kroll and Alexander Streets, Georgetown.
I was always into beauty from very young. I always used to try to fix somebody's brows, and I was always fascinated with brows and lashes and face and stuff like that. With my family, I always tell my aunt, come let me do your face.
Sarah, who has a degree in biology, decided to go into the beauty industry after completing her certification training in Florida. After practicing makeup for a while, she saw an opportunity with microblading because it was relatively new to Guyana at the time and still is.
I had a lot of doubts. I was thinking it over. It's a big investment. A lot of money was spent on the course and so on. And I was thinking, how will people react to this new venture? How will people take the business serious?
Casting her doubts aside, Arjun ventured into the business and has never regretted it. She advertises on social media, and satisfied customers recommend her services to others, and that's how she acquires more customers.
I have gotten a huge response. I myself am surprised at it because a lot of people in Guyana travel as well, so some of them are familiar with microblading and so on. And then when I started to advertise, a lot of people were curious to know what it's all about, if I implant the hairs, what I really do, because it looks so realistic. And I would explain to them it's not as permanent as a tattoo because I don't go as deep as you would with a regular tattoo. So over time it does fade, because remember with the brows, every so often the style changes from way back then from thin brows now to thick fluffy brows and so on.
Microblading is a semi-permanent tattoo of the eyebrows. It mimics hair strokes and it looks very realistic. It lasts about 2 to 3 years, but is not as permanent as a tattoo. The beautician guarantees that the ink she uses is specially formulated for the brows and will not change color. It fades by 3 years and can be changed according to fashion trends.
The mapping and shaping of the brows, what I find is that a lot of my clients, when they come here, they say that when they go somewhere to do their brows, people just go in just like that and shape it out. But when they come here, almost every single time, I map it out first. Show them if this is the shape that they desire, and then I go forward to shape it to how they would like it.
She also does the Russian volume lash extensions, a lightweight volume enhancing extension, and facials for the unique needs of customers.
For example, one facial that I do is the high frequency facial using electricity to take care of acne and wrinkles and scars and so on. And at that time, nobody was doing it here.
Sarah Arjun can be contacted on telephone numbers 592-603-4444, on WhatsApp, Facebook at The Lash Boutique Guyana, and on Instagram at The Lash Boutique Guyana, or you can visit her at Mink's Beauty Bar at the corner of Kroll and Alexander Streets, Georgetown. For InfoHub, Natasha Smith.